Substack allows you to export your subscriber data as a CSV file, giving you complete control and portability over your audience information. There are several important reasons to export your subscriber data: creating secure backups, migrating to other platforms like ConvertKit or MailChimp, and enhancing your analytics capabilities. The primary method is through your dashboard. First, log into your Substack account and navigate to the Subscribers section in the left sidebar. Look for the Export option, typically represented by a download icon. You'll see an interface like this with a Create New Export button. When you click the Export button, you can select the data range and choose which subscriber types to include: free subscribers, paid subscribers, or all of them. Substack will generate the CSV file and notify you when it's ready for download. Alternatively, you can access the export function through Settings, then Publication Details, and look for the Export Data section. This provides the same CSV download functionality. Your CSV export includes essential subscriber information: email addresses, subscription dates, subscription types, status information, and payment details for paid subscribers. This comprehensive data gives you everything needed for migration or analysis. Your exported CSV data is compatible with popular email platforms like ConvertKit, MailChimp, Ghost, and Beehive. The standardized CSV format ensures smooth migration between platforms, giving you the freedom to choose the best tool for your newsletter. When you export your Substack subscribers, the CSV file contains several important data fields that provide comprehensive information about your audience. The export includes essential subscriber information: email addresses as the primary identifier, subscription dates showing when each person joined, and subscription types indicating whether they are free, paid, or complimentary subscribers. Additional data may include payment information for paid subscribers and engagement metrics, such as open rates and click rates where available. Data privacy and compliance are critical considerations when handling exported subscriber data. GDPR and other privacy regulations require careful attention to how you collect, store, and use this information. Before transferring data to another platform, verify that subscribers have consented to the data transfer. This is especially important for GDPR compliance in the European Union. There are several technical considerations to keep in mind when working with exported subscriber data, especially for larger lists. Large subscriber lists may require segmented exports to avoid browser timeouts. Break your list into smaller chunks for more reliable downloads. Additional technical considerations include using UTF-8 encoding when opening CSV files and cleaning data to match the field requirements of your destination platform. Regular data backups are essential for protecting your subscriber information. Industry experts recommend monthly subscriber data backups as standard practice. Monthly exports serve multiple purposes: data backup for disaster recovery, analytics enhancement by combining with external tools, and compliance audits for regulatory requirements. Remember to store backup files securely and maintain clean, segmented subscriber lists for better migration outcomes should you ever need to change platforms.